Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, we were discussing about different affiliate networks, different traffic sources, and we were discussing some affiliate networks step by step. And there was one by one videos about different affiliate networks. Uh, actually, this video is a little bit different. Actually, I'm going to tell you a very exciting offer on Digistore 24. As we have discussed in detail about Digistore 24 in one of my previous video. So today's video is about a special offer which may last within next few days or maybe for few weeks. So I thought it will be better if I will mention about that offer in my video. So let's simply go to Digistore 24 to discuss this offer. As I have mentioned in my previous video, how to join this network, what are positive and negative aspects of Digistore 24. For your reconsideration, I'm going to tell you if you are working as an affiliate, Digistore really has a lot of potential. You can find a range of product which may be physical or digital products, and it may provide instant approval of affiliate application, and you don't need any prior experience, you don't need to provide them proofs of your previous work as an affiliate. So here are some if we enlist some of the positive points, some of the pros of Digistore 24. So first of all, you can get option of weekly, bi-weekly and monthly payments, and payment options are monthly required minimum payout is $50, and commission rates ranges from 15% to 90%. And one more thing, you can have your payments through PayPal, through bank transfer, through credit and debit card payments. All of these options are available. And one more thing, uh, it provides instant approval of affiliate application, and you may find trackable affiliate links. So especially if you are new in this field, this platform Digistore 24 is something you might want to explore as an affiliate. The most important thing for an affiliate though is what is available in its marketplace. So first of all, we look at the front page or the main website of this network. When you will open this website, you will have an interface like this. If you don't have your account, simply you can click on register now. Like here you can see, you can simply click your register now, and you will put your details like your name, your email address, your password, and these kind of information, uh, and you will be instantly get permission to work as an affiliate. And after that, when you will sign up your account, as this is my demo account, when you will sign up your account, simply what you all need to do, click on marketplace. Here on marketplace, you will simply click over here. On the left side of this website, there is a list of all their physical and digital products, and here I'm gonna mention today's is about fitness and health. So the offer we are going to discuss today is about fitness and health. Simply go to the offers and click on family fitness and health here. The page which will open here, you will simply go to the next page, page number 2, and just scroll down. keep scrolling. This one, the lose your first 10 pound workshop. It's actually, it is a CPA offer. It's cost per action. What they all need to do, your visitor, they just simply need to click over here. So if you want to promote this if you want to promote this offer, simply first of all, look at this offer. There is all the detail of this offer. Actually, it's about a workshop. Like it's there are different things about this workshop, like their schedule, their question and answer, their recommended food list, and all that. And what is your concern as an affiliate is over here, that it is a $30 CP offer on each sale. So if you want to promote this offer, simply you will come here and you will click on promote now. When you will click at promote now, you will get your promo link here. Simply you can copy your promo link from here. Okay, what you all need to do is you need to write a review about this. How can we write a review? Simply select this text from here, copy, open it in Google, and you will see a lot of reviews here. Like if you open any review about it, simply click any of it. Oh, yes, someone who is promoting this. Like this one. What you need to do, you simply come here and you have to write your own review. You just need to copy text from here like this. Simply copy this text and next thing, simply open this website Quillbot. It's a totally free website where you can paraphrase any of your document of any of your text. Like we are going to paraphrase the text we have copied from that website. Okay, we have copied it from, we have pasted it here, and simply we will click paraphrase. So this is our paraphrase text. What you all need to do here, simply select this text, copy from here, and simply go to Google Docs. Here you can come to Google Files and you will paste your text which you have edited in Quillbot, which you have paraphrased in Quillbot. You will put it here and simply by reviewing more and more websites where there are reviews about this offer. You will collect all the reviews. You will rephrase it from QLBot, and you will copy it in your file, and you will copy this file in the form of a PDF. And what next you need to do, simply attach your link, attach your CPA link in the in that website. You can simply Google how to attach a link on your file. Simply attach your file and make that PDF file. Now we need to upload this file. I'm just mentioning a few of very good websites where you can put all of your where you can put your PDF, where you can upload your PDF. And believe me, there are millions of the visitors. Like look at this website. Here are this much visitors, this much persons from academics and persons from research are here on this website. And simply you can upload your PDF here. What you all need to do, simply join this network, join this website through your Google account, or maybe through your Facebook account, or maybe you can sign up with your email here. When you will sign up this account, simply you will upload your PDF file over here. Then this website is academia.edu. Okay, the next thing, the next website, wonderful website where you can upload your documents, your PDF documents, is a smallpdf.com. Simply what you need to do, simply you will get its free trial. You will log in through your email, and then upload all of your PDF here. And third website is Lumen PDF. Here again you can sign up with your email. Simply you can upload your PDF here, and here are millions of the visitors of this website here. And the next thing is PDF Drive, the next website where you need to upload your PDF file is PDF Drive. And the last but not the least is SlideShare. Here again, simply you can sign up through your LinkedIn account, through your Facebook account, or maybe you can sign up through your email, and simply you will come to upload link. Click on this upload link and upload your file here. People are visiting, millions of the people daily visiting this website. They get help through this website. They download these documents. They download different PDF files for their for academic purpose, for research purpose, or generally as a user or for their information. They download the material from here. They get help from here. If you put your PDF file here, there are chances people, the maximum chances will be when you will choose good keywords. Try to put as much as possible keywords for you. Like you can choose keywords regarding losing weight, regarding health, regarding fitness, regarding supplements, and regarding diet. There are so many keywords. Simply you can search it out through on Google. There are so many keywords. Even you can find out what are the most ranked keywords. You can find those keywords from here and try to put maximum keywords as much as possible when you are uploading these files. When you will upload these files, there are chances people will open your file. When they will open that link, which is in the form of a heading of this heading of your PDF, when they will simply click, it will take you to your affiliate link. If they are gonna buy this product, this digital product, simply that will be added to your CPC account, and you will be paid out for that. So this is about today's video. If you like this information, please like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon so will you get notification of my new videos. Thank you. See you next time with some new video.